Selecting the best unit at Auberge can be a little bit tricky. There are two distinct towers. The north iconic Cascade Tower offers 36 different floor plans. So many options, which one to choose? The south tower, which is more traditional in style, offers gorgeous flow-through units with views of the ocean and the city skyline. Which one should I choose in the South Tower? If you're needing help with these decisions, give us a call at the David Siddons Group. We know which stacks work best. Looking to the south, those two pink towers will block your ocean views. And directly to the west, there is a 17-story mid-rise building that blocks views of the city and the Intracoastal Waterway. To ensure that you get the best view, give us a call. We know that ocean views are important, and the better the view is, the better the unit is. Taking a look back at the Cascade Tower, those forward-facing 04 and 05 lines we like best, as well as the 01 through 04 lines in this South Tower. Let's take a look now inside a 12th floor unit in the South Tower in the 04 stack. Immediately, the view of the ocean captivates you upon entering the living space. As you walk out to the patio, the view will be to the north, up the coastline. Let's pan around now and take a look at the view from the master bedroom. Again, you will be immediately captivated by the ocean view, looking to the north up the coastline.
Many other worlds, we've seen equality in artists, which has never been done in Fort Lauderdale.
It's all about providing the amenities of how natural people live.
First of all, we'll have the Auberge Spa. And the Auberge Spas are generally put together in a way.
The South Tower offers those flow-through units. Let's take a look at the view from the guest bedroom on the 12th floor 04 stack. Gorgeous views of the Intracoastal Waterway and the city at night. If you're looking for a unit with the very best views at Auberge, either in the North Tower with their 36 different floor plans or the South Tower with their 22 different floor plans, give us a call. We are the experts. We can help you find that unique, perfect unit for yourself and your family. This is Elaine Tatum with the David Siddons Group. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.